Come here. I'm sure you've seen this t-shirt yarn barks everywhere. I know you've seen them everywhere. They're everywhere. But have you seen these? Have you seen these? Have you seen these bags? I know you haven't seen them. And do you know what I did? I said I am going to do these bags. I said I was going to do this. So let me show you all a clip.
So this is me. I'm showing my hook, I'm showing my yarn, I'm showing my crafting boards, my glass boards, and this is me crocheting the bag.
Yo, I was prepared to do a reel for y'all. I wanted to do a YouTube short for y'all. I was ready for a TikTok. Look at me talking that. I look like a bad bitch, okay? I was ready to post this for y'all. And you know what happened? Yo,
my head was big. I was embarrassed.
but I posted these bags, okay? I advertised them. And you know what? A client said they wanted the bag as well. So this is me. I was prepared to do a tutorial for you. Look at me showing. I'm showing you my t-shirt yarn. I don't know what's even written on it, whatever Chinese it is. And I'm showing you my boards. I am showing you my 6mm crochet hook. I'm showing you my darning needle. I'm showing you the chains. I am showing you everything, even these little rings for the handles. I was prepared. Anyway, basically in this tutorial, non-tutorial, I am going to show you what to do and what not to do. So I'm basically showing you my mistakes and what to do. Now, for what you have to do, you see what I'm doing here? Yes, do it. So I basically chained 12, okay? I chained 12 for this bag. I mean, right now I didn't chain 12. I think I chained approximately 20 at this point. But listen to what I am saying. I chained. In fact, the right thing to do is to chain 12. Chain 12, people, or 13. Don't make it too big. Look at what I did. Yeah, I went ahead and I did 3 of these.
This is wrong. Don't do this.
You need one long panel, okay? One long panel. I'm going to be stressing on this. And look.
I was so excited, like I was so happy doing this. Look at me joining all the panels together. Look at, I just joined that one. Yeah, I was so excited.
Don't do this. Don't do this, people. Don't do it. I can't stress on this enough. So listen, chain 12, then single crochet into, or 13, then single crochet into, the 12 stitches for as long as it can cover your board. Look, I was peeling my board, and look at this is the next thing that I did. Please
don't do it. Do not sew whatever panel you have crochet to your board.
Don't do this. Do not sew it. Simply slip stitch your panel to your board, okay? Do not sew it. Do not make 3 different parts like I did. Oh my god, look at my veins. I was struggling with my darning needle. I was struggling, and it was just chilling there, it was sipping some tea. It was just sitting there. I was so mad. Anyway, I'm about to show you another clip, okay? This is me struggling again to do that back, as I was sewing it. That's me and my nephew. We were up at 3 a.m. trying to do this for you. And you know what? I failed again. Yeah, I failed again. I failed for the second time for this bag. So it made me so mad I didn't even do the complete tutorial. But I've told you all what to do. Make a long panel, then you single crochet it to your board. Okay, that is what you're going to do. Look at that face. Look at that face. That is the face of shame. Yo, I was a failure. I was like, I can't do anything right. I failed twice. So this is basically a little clip of me unraveling every single thing. I had to unravel it, and I succeeded. And I succeeded in doing the back. And you know what? I didn't do a tutorial. I didn't, record it again because I was sad. I felt betrayed. Anyway, I am going to drop a tutorial, a full-blooded tutorial of this bag on my channel. I am going to drop it, so y'all better get this video 1,000 likes, get it views, share this video, like it, subscribe, okay? Until I see those numbers, y'all are not getting a tutorial, so you better do that, okay? Y'all make sure that you give me those views, okay? And watch this video next. Make sure you click on this video next. Don't you dare miss it. and I am going to see you guys in my next video. Peace out.